So this video is going to help you answer questions 10, 11, and 12. And if you watch the first video, we learned that, so this video is going to help you answer questions 10, 11, and 12. And in the previous video, we learned that changing the volume changes the amplitude of a wave. Okay, so a higher volume means a higher amplitude, a lower volume means a lower amplitude, and that's all dependent on how much energy you give the sound. So in order for me to have a higher amplitude, a higher volume sound, I would need to put in a lot more energy. And then vice versa. If I wanted a lower sound, I would need less energy. Well, what we're going to take a look at now is pitch. So volume is how you hear the sound, like how loud it is, while pitch is how you hear like the tone, like how low or how high the sound seems. And so I'm going to do my best to demonstrate two different pitches here so that you can see what property changes when pitch does change. So I'm going to attempt to record our first wave. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I think I did a good job. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to ask you to predict what would happen to this sound wave if I made a higher pitched sound. So I'm going to do that in the second graph here. I'm going to make a higher pitch. What do you think would happen to the graph? Okay, so here we go. All right, guys. So it took me a minute to get it, but I got it. So if you take a look here, something stayed the same, but something did change. What do you notice? Look at graph 1. Okay. Did our amplitude change very much? Our amplitude looks relatively close. So I don't think the volume changed. But check this out. In 5 seconds, I was only able to complete 1.5 waves. But in 5 seconds down here, I have 3 complete waves. So what property do you think changed? You can go ahead and stop your video and go answer questions 10, 11, and 12.